3 nights ago, I heard something dragging across my street, slow, deliberate. When I looked out my window, a man with a closed umbrella was staring straight at me. Every night, he came closer. No one knows who he is, but he left marks on my door, 3 of them. This morning, I found a 4th carved into my driveway. He hasn't come back yet, but I think the next time he does, he'll already be inside. Not a thud, not a knock, more like a slow dragging, as if something heavy grazed the asphalt. I was sitting on my couch, the television low, when it cut through the silence between commercials. At first I ignored it, assuming it was just our elderly neighbor, Mr. Halvorsen, taking another nighttime walk. But the sound didn't move steadily. It would drag, then stop. Drag, then stop. Like whatever made it kept pausing right outside each house. I muted the TV. The room went still. There it was again, closer this time. A long, gritty scrape against pavement. For reasons I still don't understand, a chill worked its way up my spine. I got up, walked slowly to the window, and drew the curtain back an inch. The street was dimly lit by the tall lamp at the corner, its light buzzing faintly. Everything looked normal at first. Then I saw him. A man stood in the middle of the street, directly across from my house. Tall, slim, with a dark overcoat that swayed gently though there was no wind. In his right hand he held an umbrella, closed, the tip resting against the ground. That must have been the noise I heard. He had dragged it all the way down the street. But the umbrella wasn't what froze me. He was staring straight at my window. Not casually. Not with curiosity. He stared with the intensity of someone trying to see through the glass, into the dark behind me. For a long moment, neither of us moved. I felt trapped between fight-or-flight impulses, though something told me that stepping away from the window would be the greater danger. I couldn't see his face clearly, the shadow of the street lamp fell across it. But I swear to you, even from behind that curtain, I felt the weight of his eyes. I checked the time, midnight. Who stands outside someone's home at that hour? Why stare at a stranger's window? Why drag an umbrella instead of carrying it? I closed the curtain as quietly as I could. My heart thudded. Full story on our YouTube channel, The Unread Files, Most Requested Stories and Tales. Like and subscribe for more stories.